10 Most Popular Kitchen Countertops for 2025. Discover the latest trends and hottest designs in kitchen countertops for 2025. From sleek and modern materials to sustainable and eco-friendly options, we've got you covered. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen with the most popular countertop styles of the year, from quartz and granite to marble and more. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation or just looking for inspiration, this video is packed with expert insights and stunning visuals to help you create your dream kitchen. Stay ahead of the curve and find out what's hot in 2025 kitchen countertops. 1. Terrazzo are making a bold comeback in 2025. Once a retro favorite, terrazzo is now being reimagined in contemporary kitchens. Its speckled appearance, created by mixing chips of marble, quartz, granite, or glass, adds artistic flair and color variety. Designers and homeowners alike are embracing terrazzo for its durability and low-maintenance surface for kitchen countertop. Plus, its eco-friendly credentials make it a sustainable choice for the modern home. With endless customization options, terrazzo lets you add personality without compromising on function. 2. Warm-toned marble countertop is redefining luxury in the kitchen. Marble has long been associated with elegance, but 2025 brings a twist with the rise of warmer shades like creamy beige, honey gold, and soft browns. These tones provide a cozy, inviting look while retaining marble's timeless beauty for your kitchen. Though marble requires sealing and careful maintenance, its visual impact makes it a top choice for kitchen islands and statement surfaces. Warm-toned marble balances traditional appeal with current trends in earthy, organic design. 3. Stainless steel countertops are favored for their industrial chic vibe. Once exclusive to professional kitchens, stainless steel is now a staple in high-end residential design. Its non-porous surface is resistant to heat, bacteria, and stains, perfect for serious home cooks. In 2025, stainless steel countertops are being paired with wood accents and bold cabinetry for a mixed material look. The result is a kitchen that's both functional and fashion-forward. Easy to clean and nearly indestructible, stainless steel fits seamlessly into both minimalist and maximalist styles. 4. Polished concrete is dominating modern kitchen design. Polished concrete is becoming the go-to material for those who love urban, contemporary aesthetics. In 2025, this surface is valued not only for its edgy appeal, but also its versatility. It can be tinted, textured, or inlaid with other materials to create a unique finish. Concrete countertops are remarkably strong and can be custom poured to fit any layout. With proper sealing, they are resistant to scratches and heat, making them a practical and visually striking option. 5. Quartzite remains a top pick for natural stone enthusiasts. Quartzite has gained popularity for its marble-like appearance and granite-like durability. It's a natural stone that can withstand heavy use while offering patterns and colors that rival more delicate materials. In 2025, quartzite is prized for its resistance to UV rays, making it ideal for kitchens with plenty of natural light. Whether you're going for a soft, creamy hue or bold veining, quartzite delivers beauty that lasts. 6. Butcher block countertops are bringing warmth and texture to kitchens. Wood is seeing a resurgence in the kitchen, and butcher block tops the list for its cozy charm and versatility. In 2025, homeowners are choosing rich wood tones to add warmth to minimalist or modern kitchens. Butcher block is ideal for food prep, especially for those who enjoy cooking from scratch. While it does require regular oiling and care to avoid stains, it's easy to refinish and age beautifully over time, adding a rustic, lived-in feel to the space. 7. Bluestone offers a distinctive alternative to traditional stone countertops. Bluestone is emerging as a standout option for those seeking a unique, moody surface. This dense, durable sandstone features subtle blues and grays that shift with lighting. Its textured appearance and natural variation make each slab one of a kind. In 2025, bluestone is being used to create dramatic contrast in kitchens with light cabinetry or minimalist styling. Though it needs sealing, its strength and character make it a compelling choice for design-forward homes. 8. Solid surface countertops are delivering seamless style and function. Solid surface materials like Corian are continuing to gain traction for their sleek, uniform appearance. These engineered countertops are made from acrylic and resin, offering an affordable and versatile alternative to natural stone. In 2025, their seamless integration with sinks and backsplashes is especially appealing. They're non-porous, easy to repair, and available in countless colors and patterns. For those seeking a clean, modern look with minimal upkeep, solid surface countertops are a smart investment. 9. Quartz countertops are still dominating the kitchen scene. Quartz remains one of the most popular countertop choices, and for good reason. This engineered stone is highly durable, stain-resistant, and non-porous, requiring almost no maintenance. In 2025, quartz designs are becoming more realistic, mimicking the veining and depth of natural stone. From classic white with subtle gray veining to bold, dark tones, quartz offers the perfect blend of form and function. It's ideal for busy households that want elegance without the hassle. 10. Soapstone countertops are appreciated for their soft, matte elegance. Rounding out the list for 2025 is soapstone, a natural stone known for its silky feel and muted color palette, usually in shades of gray and green. It's non-porous, heat-resistant, and develops a natural patina over time, which adds to its charm. In today's kitchens, soapstone is used to bring an organic, lived-in aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with sleek modern elements. Its tactile quality and low-maintenance nature make it a favorite for homeowners seeking subtle sophistication. In summary, the top countertop trends of 2025 reflect a move toward personalization, performance, and natural beauty. Whether you favor the warmth of wood, the luxe feel of stone, or the modern edge of engineered surfaces, there's a material that aligns with your vision. As kitchens continue to serve as the heart of the home, these countertops offer both style and substance for everyday living.